How to switch accounts on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom. Your Instagram profile will open up. At the very top, you will see your Instagram username. Just on the right side, there is a drop-down icon. Tap on it. A menu will appear from the bottom. In this menu, you will notice two boxes. The first box at the top shows all the Instagram accounts you are logged into on your device. The second box at the bottom is for Facebook. You can even open the Facebook app directly from Instagram if it's already logged in on your device. However, we want to switch accounts on Instagram, so let's focus on the first box. In this box, you will see all the Instagram accounts that are already logged in on your device. If you only see your current account and no others, it means you have not logged into any additional accounts yet. In that case, log out of your current account, then log into another account. Make sure to save the password for easy switching in the future. After doing this, you will start seeing more accounts in the first box. Now tap on any previously logged in account from the list that you want to switch to. As you can see, we have successfully switched to that account with just a single tap. And boom! You have successfully learned how to switch between accounts on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.